Packed full of technology, the full range of electric Mercedes-Benz vans are fully equipped with recuperation modes, meaning that whilst out on the road you can recuperate the battery by using the paddles on the steering wheel. But just how do you do that? Well, let's find out. There are 5 modes to choose from and all have different functions, but ultimately it's about how much energy you as the driver want to put back into the battery. You have D-, D-, D+, and D++. So essentially, the left paddle will put maximum energy back into the vehicle when slowing down, and selecting the right paddle reduces the level, meaning you'll continue to glide or coast with less energy being recaptured by the vehicle. In summary, D- is the best driving mode for recovering energy, but slows the vehicle down. This is best used in urban or start-stop environments. D++ modes are best used on open roads where you want to maintain the kinetic energy of the vehicle. To change the recuperation mode is very easy. Simply flick the left or right paddle located behind the steering wheel to either go up or down the modes. There is no right or wrong mode to drive in. It's all down to the feeling of you as the driver, and it all depends on how much energy you want to recuperate the battery with. By using an anticipatory driving style in combination with the correct recuperation mode, it is possible to increase the range of a Mercedes-Benz E-van by over 10%.